very warm. It's gonna be close to 80. Gonna go on a walk. Out on a walk, and we saw these beautiful flowers. Wow. Nice views. That's San Gorgonia Mountain, the peak. I guess we're gonna fill up some water bottles. Wowzers. It's gonna take a while. But check out the mountains. Very nice. I guess this is the place. Fill up waters. That's how you wash them. There they go. Fill her up. The start of pancit makings. Almost ready. It's a lot of veggies. Veggies. It's all together. I think it's done. This is from a park up on the hill. This is overlooking Loma Linda. Looks like that's a freeway there, I-15. Mushroom gravy is being created. It's coming. Making dumplings.
Oh, Dios me make.
Dumpling soup. The dumplings grew. And then polenta. Oh, the cabbage rolls are done. Can't wait. Yum, yum, yum. So we got cabbage rolls, polenta, mashed taters, gravy, cranberries, and some kind of German dessert. Alright, happy Thanksgiving. And this is dessert, y'all. This is dessert. We have more snow than you. Nice palm trees. So I'm walking with my relatives on Highland Avenue in Redlands. Really nice street, nice houses, and it's a nice warm day. It's Thanksgiving today. So yeah, here they mow lawns on Thanksgiving, and sometimes in Washington we have to shovel snow on Thanksgiving. House in Redlands that is lit up every year. There's some music too. So this is overlooking Loma Linda at night. It's the new Loma Linda Hospital. This is the day after Thanksgiving. It's a beautiful day. And look at these orange trees. They're not that ripe. Got me an orange. Freshly picked. I haven't played with one of these in years. Looks like I can still text though. I am walking to church on this nice day. It's not too long of a walk. It's a nice street. I used to live at that blue house 40 years ago when we first came to the US. Pretty crazy. So I made it to the Loma Linda University campus. It's a beautiful campus. And this is where Sabbath school will be in the morning. So now I'm headed to the big university church on the Loma Linda University campus. And that is the university church right there. Looks small on the outside. It's huge. And that's the old hospital. And that is the new hospital. You can see the saints going to church. And that's the new and old hospitals. This is a nice new amphitheater.
For people who need to stay warm during this winter season.
Big hospitals. Well, this is interesting. Prospect Drive and Prospect Street.